Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a Turkish style eggplant yogurt dish. Served with crispy rolled pastry on the side. Simple, creamy and so delicious. Let's make it together. After washing the eggplant, we roast them on the stove for a smoky flavor. Or if you like, you can grill them on your balcony barbecue. It tastes amazing. Make sure to turn the eggplant while roasting so every side gets perfectly charred and smoky. Now take the phyllo dough and cut it in half from the middle. This way we can make thinner, crispier rolls that cook perfectly. Take a straw or a chopstick and roll the dough from the wide end toward the tip, creating a neat cone shape. And just like that, you get a beautiful, perfectly shaped roll. Roll all the remaining phyllo dough in the same way to make more perfect cone rolls. Let's check on the eggplants to see how well they roasted. Our roasted eggplants are ready. Place them in a bag so the skin peels off easily from the flesh. Our crispy rolls are ready and look amazing. Carefully remove the skin from the roasted eggplants. The flesh is soft and ready to use. Now mash the peeled eggplant and finely chop everything to mix together perfectly. Now add yogurt, salt, black pepper and minced garlic to the mashed eggplants and mix well. It's best to put the mixture in the fridge so all the flavor can blend together nicely. Finally, dice the onion and saute in a little oil until soft and fragrant. Fry the prepared rolls in a hot oil until they turn golden and crispy. If you enjoyed this recipe so far, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Once the onions are golden, add a ground meat and cook until it's browned and fully cooked. Add salt, black pepper, turmeric, and 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then mix everything thoroughly. Finally, add a little water to the mixture so the meat filling becomes smooth and well combined. Now, let's plate our crispy Cone Manti and add some garnish to make them look even more delicious. With love, from my kitchen to yours. Now comes the best part. Let's taste our crispy Cone Manti and see how delicious they turned out. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it.